Look at this. Text wrapping around moving objects. Live every frame, no lag, no freezing, and it's running on a 15 kilobyte library. Let me show you what exactly happening here. This is a fully animated children's storybook. Text flows around every illustration in real time. Not CSS, not float, pure math every frame. Those characters are moving with physics, and the text reshapes around them every single frame. Star follows the lines of text, wave fires as it passes through. The whole thing, 60 frames per second, never drops. Now the stress test, full magazine layout, multi-column text, pull quotes, drop cap. That headline runs a binary search to find the biggest font that fits, every resize. Drag this orb, text reflows on both sides simultaneously. CSS apes can't do this. One side only, no animation. Pretext just handles it. Resize the window, 3 columns becomes 1, text hands off seamlessly, no jumps, no gaps, under 1 milliseconds. So why does any of this matter? Because normally every time JavaScript checks the size of an element, your browser freezes and recalculates your entire page. 500 elements, 500 full freezes. That's the reflow tax and every website pays it. Left side, normal DOM was that counter. Right side, pretext, same text, same result, zero reflows, 300 times faster. The Canvas API has a measure text method, same font engine as the browser, but it never touches the layout tree. No reflow. Pretext uses that loophole, measures every single word once, casts the weights, from that point layout is just math. Add weights, hit the limit, break the line. No DOM reads ever. For 30 years, the browser charged a reflow tax on every text measurement. Nobody questioned it. That was just the web. Pretext kills that text, 15 kilobyte, zero dependencies, text wrapping around anything at 60 frames per second. Open source, live demos, links below. Drop a like if this blew your mind.